Hello guys, welcome to another piano tutorial. And so today I'm teaching how to play Above All by many people have sung the song. We have Don Moy, we have Michael W. Smith and Women of Faith and many others that have forgotten their names. So today I'll be playing in the key of C, very simple, sweet and lovely tutorial. Okay, so I'll play the song in the key of C and then I give you a full piano tutorial. Let's go. Alright guys, so that's the breakdown of the song. It's very simple and smooth. Alright, so I'm getting straight to we are playing the key of C. Re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Alright, and so I'm starting with the intro of the song, okay? Alright, so and 1 C major and 4 major and 6 minor, 5 major, 1 C major. That's the intro of the song. Alright, very simple. So now I was using the C major first inversion, second inversion, because it's the root chord, first and second inversion. Alright, so I'll add the 9 there. Alright, this is the 9. So it'll be G, 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 C, G, C. Alright, this is the 9. G, C, G, E. Alright, D, G, C, E. Alright now. Alright, La, that's A. Then I go to the 4. Alright, I take it again. Still on 1 with my left. Okay, La. I go to the 4 with my left. Alright, now I go to 6 now. This is like a passing chord, this E major. Alright, 6 second inversion. Alright, that's E minor, E, A and C. Now, alright, F, G major. Alright, now voila, that's E, F, C, F, E. Alright, that's all about the intro. Alright, so above all, so the song proper. Above all, voila, above all king. Alright, that's it. the chord progression of the verse. Above all, 4 measure, that's F major, 5 major, G major, above all, 1 major, G major, again, above, as G major, voila, above all. Alright, now see, above all, C and 5 and 4, 3. Alright. Now, before the world be. Right now, 4 major and 4 major. Alright, now this 2 inversion, or you play 2. Alright, 2 inversion, or this, or the normal root. Alright, so I had to run the Z minor, chord, the Z minor scale. Alright, so that's it. That's it. When you end there, alright, 1 and 5, okay, 4 and 1, alright, in 1 and 5, in 4 and 1, alright, like a 6 and 4, alright, 4 and 3, 2, 4 and 3 again, and all of me, and all of 1 above 1. So you continue the verse. The verse takes the same chord progression that I've given. Alright, so I hope you learned something. May God bless you as you continue to subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.